question I'm responding to this week asks why gender might be threatening to someone's identity. And I think that gender can definitely be threatening to someone's identity, especially when it is about gender roles. Because in our social system, there are certain things that men are expected to do, things that women are expected to do, things that men are expected not to do, and things that women are expected not to do. And I think that if someone wants to deviate from those social norms and do something that they might want to do because of another aspect of their identity, then people might look at them and say, oh, you are a man, you shouldn't be doing that, you're a woman, you shouldn't be doing that. So I think if people want to deviate from that path of least resistance, as sociologists would talk about, path of least resistance being following all the norms of the social system, basically doing what's expected. So if someone wants to deviate from that path of least resistance, then they might feel that their identity is threatened because they have certain expectations because of their gender. And in politics, the implication of this is, we'll often hear that men are more conservative and women are more liberal, but that's certainly not the case for everybody, and I certainly know women who are a lot more conservative than some of the men that I know. And so some people might think, oh, you probably think a certain way because of your gender, because there's that expectation sometimes about certain issues that men are more favorable to certain issues and women are more favorable to other solutions to issues generally. And so I think that deviating from that path of least resistance when it comes to political views, people can definitely judge you about that because of your gender, and that is how it would conflict and impact someone's identity. Because identity is made up of a lot of different things about someone, and gender is just one of those things. And society will often put you into boxes because of your gender. It might think that you're weird. Someone might do something, and someone else might do something, but people might view those two people doing that same thing differently because they are different genders. So that is why I think gender can impact someone's identity because of those social norms.